Welcome to Talking Roadmaps and a special edition again where we're crossing over with Product World EU. I'm joined by a former guest. I'm joined by Ana Zrno. Ana, who are you?
Hello. Well, I'm your ex-podcaster here, but also I'm a product operation director at Rike. Rike is a US company, CWM, so something where you actually handle your products, projects, whatnot. Before that, I was at Infobip. Infobip is a unicorn in Croatia. Before that, I was in telco, basically 20-something years in product. So I'm a product person, how I call myself. Currently at product operations.
Love it. And you're specifically going to be moderating the product operations panel, and it's going to be great to see you there in person because we've spoken, but we've never met in person. So 5th and 6th of May in Opatio is going to be great fun on the beach, or at least in the hotel that's on the beach.
Close to the beach, over the coffee or cocktail or something. They have good cocktails. It's a good place to be.
On that panel, you're going to have 3 other product ops people there. What myths or common beliefs are you going to explore and maybe challenge, do you think, on that panel?
Well, maybe not myths, but the common thoughts on internet. You have this product is dead, AI is coming and going to eat us, and that goes same with the product operations. Why would you need product operations when you have almighty AI? So that's something that we are going to discuss and challenge and see why are the basics still important or not?
It'd be interesting to hear how other people feel. I personally think the basics are even more important than they've been for the last decade.
100%, I believe the same, but let's see what other people think. So
what problems are you personally obsessed with and exploring at the moment?
At the moment, I am obsessed with AI, to be honest, with AI and all the transformation that it's bringing, and also effect on the humans being product people that I work with, also wider. So how can we use it for the good of all of us and for the better products and better serving the customers and better doing the operations and everything? So yeah, AI is at the moment, I would say, obsession, but also fun to play with and explore and learn something new every day. That's where I am at.
Yeah, I mean, I know we were just talking before we came on camera about I'm exploring some of Teresa Torres' approach to it and Dave Clean's approach to it. And I think you said you'd even tried his downloading his GitHub.
So I'm trying everything that I see around. I mean, I am guilty of that. I also have some my systems, how to connect and work. At the moment, it's Cloud Cowork, to be honest, the one that I'm mostly spending time in. And Notebook LM is the one which I love still because it's guarded and getting better and better with every day, and I think quite useful in the way of informing people and educating people, which is kind of what I also do as ops very, very often.
I mean, maybe you've already told us your background, but why are you credible to lead this product operations panel? How have you earned and learned that knowledge that's going to help you guide that conversation?
Well, for the last, it will be, I think, more than 2.5, almost 3 years that I'm at Rike as the director of product operations. So I do operations for living, right? Product operations. And before that, I was also doing product operations in one big European company in Sinch for a year. But even before that, when I was in different roles, right? Growth, product management, whatnot, for the past 20 years, before the product operations was a hit, product directors were actually the ones setting up the operations, right? So I kind of did it many times, sometimes good, sometimes bad, in different environments, in different industries. And I'm still the practitioner. And I think that's what gives me probably the hands-on experience and the credibility, right, to talk about the ops.
If people apply the ideas well that you hope to tease out of those other panelists, what do you think will change for them?
Well, that's a tough one. So if we are successful to establish the basics, and I think everything starts from the basics and the first principles. And starting there, it does change a lot in terms of simplifying in whatever era you live. If you go back to the roots and, root yourself in the why are we here? What is product doing? What is product ops doing? And then no matter what is the technology and era that you live in, you can simply do the best possible work in that time. So I think that would be the learning for the people, that despite all the frameworks, all the complications, all the fears, all the different words that are floating around, whatnot, today it's AI, God knows what will be, how it will be called in a year, 2, 3 from now. But if we root back to the basics, product management and product operations in this beautiful essence, when you learn the key principles, then it's fun to fly and play and be PM or product ops. So I hope that will, the whole conference and the experience with being with the people who are doing the same field, it kind of root you back to the basic principles of what we do and why we do. I hope that will be the outcome. We will see. Maybe we will be less successful. I don't know. Maybe we'll scare people. God forbid. But I hope not.
Yeah, me too. I mean, I have a very human-centric approach to product work. I believe that like the people are the core of the team, and the team is what creates the value.
And anyway, we are still building products for people. You know, there will be time probably when we will be building for machines, but not yet. So that's important. Why the humans are in the center of the whole story, and also our craft. Honestly, whether it's product management or product operations, it's you know the roots and the principles, they were set a long time before the tech brought us here. So I think going back there is never a wrong thing to do.
So when and where can people catch your session?
I'm on the day 2. That would be Wednesday, right? If I'm right. By the end of the session, before Phil's closing word, actually, the last panel that we have is Product Ops panel, and I'm leading that one.
I'm looking forward to hearing it and seeing the other great people who will be joining you on that panel and hearing their voices and their thoughts and kind of seeing you weave them all together.
I'm looking forward to meet them and to speak with them and everything. It's kind of pretty highlight of my being in Opatia, to be honest.
Looking forward to seeing you there, Anna.
Likewise. See you soon.